Hi friends, Anthony Pinheiro here with Tempo Air to bring you some exciting news about our spring promotions. First thing we have done is partner with Lennox, which has up to $1,900 worth of rebates that you can take advantage of. Second thing is we have dropped our prices dramatically for the month of April. So big savings coming your way. And the third thing is you possibly can get incentives through your energy provider, and that is big money. So please take advantage of this. Matter of fact, just call us. We'll give you a free consultation and tell you how much savings you can get for the month of April.